committee. We just finished Teambuilding and it was a really fun experience. It taught me how to give up my own perspectives on life and how to contribute in creating a common opinion. It actually really helped us form as a team and seeing that every opinion matters.
Right now we are at the village and the delegates have prepared lots of traditional food for this part of the session.
Everybody's really excited and they're waiting for their county presentations.
Making me so goddamn crazy. I've been dreaming of the taste. It's chemical, making me so goddamn crazy. I can go slow, 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 slow. 0 to let's go, 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 go. I might be a rebel and break all the rules. I might be a tiger that's gonna get you. I might be a devil, the beautiful bad. I might be the danger that you never had. My love for you is so good.
Concert just finished. It was an amazing experience, full of heartache, joy as well, and we're all really excited for tomorrow's GA. We're sure it's gonna go great.
The guidelines themselves will be something along the lines of the network that should be used and the types of connections that would use as well. So for example, one guideline would be that everyone would use hybrid networks with a combination of 5G and Wi-Fi.
And I'm the head organizer of Muntenia Regional Selection Session Autumn 2019, and I'm Julia, the president of the session. The session has just ended and I'm honored to say that the Orga team succeeded to overcome every challenge. As for the academic team, after the GA, I must say that I'm really proud of the academic outcome, of the general debates, and most importantly, of my cheers team.
Hello, I'm Mara Delku and I'm the president of the session.
And I'm Daria Kryuk and I'm the head organizer of the session.
Right now the GA just ended and I can say I couldn't be more proud of my team of the organizers. They managed to do everything done till every single detail during this session. Furthermore, I can say that the journalist of the session has been there to every single moment to capture it for the aftermovie.
The same thing I can say about my academics team as well. They have reached high academic standards, they have picked honestly, the resolutions have turned out wonderfully, and the delegates couldn't